In today's video, I will walk you through how to use CoinMarketCap to find trending coins before they surge. To find trending coins on CoinMarketCap, start by going to the CoinMarketCap platform. On the main page, look for the Trending Coins section. This section shows cryptocurrencies that are currently gaining attention based on recent activity. Select the Trending Coins area to view the list of cryptocurrencies that are being tracked and discussed. You will see different coins appearing in the trending section. These are the cryptocurrencies that users are currently searching for and trading. Select a trending coin from the list to view more details about it. Review the available information, including the coin name, price details, market information, and recent activity. If you find a coin that is trending, check the reason behind its movement before making any decisions. To review more information about a specific coin, copy its contract address. After copying the contract address, check additional discussions and information about the coin on X, also known as Twitter. Paste the contract address into the search section on X to see what people are saying about the cryptocurrency. Review the posts and discussions related to the coin to understand why it is trending. You can check when people started discussing the coin and whether there is recent activity around it. If a coin appears in the trending section, review the available information carefully and compare the details before continuing. CoinMarketCap trending coins can help you find cryptocurrencies that are currently receiving attention in the market. Use the trending section to discover active coins, review their details, and check discussions around them. You can also use other cryptocurrency tracking tools along with CoinMarketCap to follow trends and understand what is happening in the crypto space. This is how you can use CoinMarketCap to find trending coins before they surge. Thank you for watching.